This is a 4-minute segment that's going to demonstrate how to do the audience participation demo. So you send them the link and you explain to them, hey, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be invited to participate in an interactive demo. In front of you, when you click on this link, you'll see the public-facing aspect of a form. Notice that forms have different types of question and answer formats, and you can easily give people different choices. What you may not be noticing is that in the background there is a single spreadsheet. So even though all of you have a form in front of you, when you do your updates, you are in fact editing the same file simultaneously. If you look closely, you'll see your edits appear at the bottom of the screen. And while I am editing that central master copy, I can also invite consultants, for example, from other companies to help me out, and we can both be editing this file simultaneously. Notice that we can also have a discussion online with each other about the work that we're doing, and if you look very closely, you'll even see that their cursor appears, in this case, next to mine. So when I highlight it, I get to see Dave's cursor there. You want to show the results summaries. So the pitch here is take a look at these results, see how easy it is to automatically generate charts and graphs and statistical analyses of your results. And you can even post these results to the web using the link at the bottom of the frame. Now, I don't need to worry about people making changes that might represent lost data. In fact, it turns out that Google Apps will keep revision history all the way back to the very beginning of the document. And if you see, as you might notice here on the right, I can look at earlier versions and see who was participating in those changes. And as I scroll down, I can see, there we go, I can see the changes that were made. So not only does the revision history keep every track of every change that was made, I can also see which changes were made, and if necessary, restore to a previous version of the file. Dave is working with me and sharing this document. It's very easy for me to go to sharing settings, as you can see here, and add or remove or modify the sharing privileges that other colleagues might have. And when I send those sharing privileges out, they get notified. Speaking of notifications, I also don't have to stay in the spreadsheet to necessarily keep track of what's going on. When I go down to the notification rules, I might want to have the spreadsheet automatically update me whenever it gets changed. So I can create a notification rule, as you see here, and be alerted anytime a change is made. That way I can happily go about my next project without having to worry about the state of the spreadsheet. So I'm going to get an email notification, in this case, anytime any of my collaborators updates this particular spreadsheet. So this is the transition to email.